it's gonna be awesome. I haven't seen these guys since like last year before Lily and I broke up. So I'm gonna have to break the news to everybody. Feel like I'm bummed now. Party's gonna suck.
Well, I'd love to join you at that one. And I got tickets to Foxy Boxing.
Hey, I wish I could join you guys, but I gotta get back to that terribly boring job. Your job's not boring. Well, I think so.
Dude, lots of chicks think architects are hot. Think about it. You create something out of nothing. You're like God. There's nobody hotter than God.
I love it when you quote scripture.
I'm telling you, you should use the architect angle with the...
What the?
Okay, first of all, I have a girlfriend. Second, the architect angle doesn't work on her. And third, I can't imagine that working on anyone ever.
Vad fan håller hon på med?
Ted Mosby.
Sigmärke.
If it were me, I'd be like Ted Mosby.
Nej, shit.
Anything sounds impressive when it's said with the...
Seriöst, det går bara henne.
Marshall Erickson, very similar to Duncan heading to a lame party. Whoa, ladies, please take it easy. There's enough money for everyone.
Ja.
Alright, we're gonna get right.
Well, yeah, Hollywood, we got... Ted Mosby.
Tänd lampan på kameran.
Ja, jag har gjort det så.
Alltså hon biter henne i nacken också. Shit.
Hey, just out of curiosity, if a guy told you he was an architect, what would you think of that?
Are you kidding? Architects are hot.
Alltså, ja.
Really slippy.
Vad är katter och lesbiska?
She did have hair.
Ja, ja, hon fick in på mig. Nu Scare kommer döda mig.
Fy fan. Du får se på video.
Hey, Lily. Still single?
Vad var det för något? Ligger inte där och kramar dig.
Only if you're into it. Something, baby.
Ditt lilla svin. Det var bara djur. Men det är fan incest. Och homosexuellt på samma gång. Fan. Seriöst.
Vad?